Hello Disney fam, my name is Pauline and I am the mermaid in Mouse and Mermaid, and I am coming at you today with an awesome video that is all about Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes. Specifically, my preferences for my August box. And at the end, I have a very special surprise that I'm going to share with all of you in regards to my Bibbidi Bobbidi box unboxing. So stick around for that. For those of you who don't know, Bibbidi or Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes is a company that puts together these customized boxes with different Disney stuff. Maybe it's from the parks, maybe it's from companies who make Disney merchandise, and it is all tailored to your specific preferences. So with this, you have to go through and fill out a preferences profile so they can get an idea of what kind of things you might already have, what things that you want, and there's also a wish list area where you can select some popular items that you would like to see in your boxes. Now, of course, nothing you fill out is guaranteed, but it gives them a little taste of what you might like in your box. So what I wanted to do before I did an unboxing video was to do a video of my preferences. I actually got this idea from my friend Mary over at Jolly Holiday with Mary. So I'll link her preferences video below and her Bibbidi box unboxing below too, so you can check those out. But I think it's a really good idea to kind of look through your preferences before you open your boxes and see if they got a good idea of what you were looking for. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm very nervous about my unboxing because I am so picky. So let's just see. I filled this out a while ago. I kind of don't remember what I put, but I think I tried to be as specific as possible. Let's see what's going on. All right guys, so I'm gonna pop that area in right over here and show you everything that's on my screen and on my preferences. So bear with me because I might be looking down at my screen. So first thing they want to know is if you have any social media presence, so they might look at that. To be honest, I feel like these people are so busy filling these boxes, I don't know how they would possibly have any time to check your social media and see what might be of interest to you. I think maybe that's for if you're a pretty big name or something like that, they might make your box extra special for promotional purposes. Now the next area, you can select how many items you'd like to see in your box. You can opt for more items or you can opt for less items, quality over quantity, and that's what I selected. I wanted quality over quantity. They asked if you want your box to be themed based on characters or other preferences, and I said yes, I love theming. So I'm surprised I put that. I should have maybe put surprise me. And next they ask what your birthday month is. Mine is in May, so my unboxing will not be my birthday month unboxing. Then they ask if you would like Disney park snacks. I said no, thankfully, because these boxes have been here for a hot minute and that I don't know how the food would travel. So then they ask if you would like to include any jewelry items in your box, and I said earrings and necklaces. And they also asked about magic bands, so I said no in regards to magic bands. Also asking about Marvel characters. They're not really for me, so that's what I said. They also asked if you would like to include t-shirts. I said no, and this was actually based off the fact that in watching some Bibbidi Bobbidi box unboxings, I saw them kind of do like non-Disney t-shirts or like t-shirts that they made or got from Etsy shops, and I wasn't that thrilled with them. I'm also super specific. Like, even though I love Little Mermaid, I wouldn't love every single t-shirt out there that is Little Mermaid. So I put no. I also asked about leggings and sports bras because Bibbidi has a company, B by Bibbidi, and they make leggings and sports bras that are Disney inspired. But I wasn't interested in those, so I just didn't provide a size. They said, would you like to receive small shop trading pins? And I said, sure, I love unique small shop items, which I don't know. I think I filled this out thinking it was just small shop items, but it says pins, which I'm totally fine about. However, I am hoping they are pins and not buttons. Next, they asked for my cell phone, and so I included that. And then after this, it's where things get a little bit more specific. So they let us know if we have any specific ears or hats that we don't want duplicates of. I, of course, have my Millennium Pink, I have the Riviera ears, and I have the Rose Gold ears. Next, they asked about any Loungefly or Danielle Nicole or Jim Shore, so any kind of designer items. And I already own the Flounder Danielle Nicole, and I also own the Riviera Loungefly. And then they also have a section for preferences or unpreferences. So this is where I got a little bit more specific as I could. So things that I would like are Ariel, Mermaid Lagoon, Tiki Room, Polynesian, Adventureland, pink or blush items, only gold / rose gold jewelry, very picky about that. Candles I enjoy, and I also like light blue and mint, so I added that in there. Things I did not want, so I put mugs, except the Adventureland mug. I actually really want that one, but no more mugs. We have too many mugs in this house. Bracelets, I do like the gold Lily & Co. bracelet though. I would make an exception for those. Not into tumblers, socks, sports bras, plush, hats, anything silver, buttons, Funko, or cutting boards. I put cutting boards because I saw people getting cutting board things from small shops in some Bibbidi unboxings, and they are cute, but we also, more than a mug problem in this house, we have a cutting board, cheese board problem in this house. Phil loves cheese boards, so no more. No more. The next area is asking for special requests. So in addition to the wish list where they have specific items that you can select that you want, you can also have special request items here. So I put a couple Jim Shores, the Dreaming Under the Sea Jim Shore, the Moana with Pua and Hey Hey. There's one where they're like sitting together. I really want the Arendelle Aqua ears, the iridescent ears. They're a little bit older. They have like the plastic bow on them. I feel like I should have been more specific about that, because I feel like people maybe think the magic mirror or whatever were iridescent ears. I also said the solid red sequin mini ears. I love those. And then more recently that came out were the lavender ears, the emerald gold ears. Both of those are very, very cute. I wish I had put, they also have like a velvet yellow ear. That is adorable also. I also said that I'd be interested in the Belle White Woodland, the White Woodland Ariel, and the White Woodland Tiana with Louis. So a bunch of those. I actually have a vision of having like a shelf over here to display some Disney figurines and things like that, because this is like my spot for doing Disney stuff. And then they ask if you have obscure characters, things might be hard to find. So would you rather stay pure to the character list or not follow your preferences? So I said I want the characters I want. So they might bend the rules on maybe some of the things, like they might give me silver jewelry if it's Ariel, which I hope they don't. But Ariel's pretty popular, so I'm hoping that it'll work out. Okay, next, then you get to check off things that you're interested in. So specific things I said: backpacks, bath decor, bath and beauty, candles, coin bags, cosmetic bags, crossbodies, Duffy ears, fanny pack, belt bag, fantasy pins, hair accessories, handbags, headbands, holiday, home decor, jewelry, earrings, jewelry necklace, kitchen, I did say leggings, interesting, but I didn't put my size. We'll see. Luggage tags, pens, pouch, shirt, and I said I didn't want shirts. I don't know what I'm doing here. Stationery, totes, towels, trading pins. Little bit of some discrepancies here from what I said earlier, but I didn't really give sizes, so hopefully I won't get any of those items. And then you kind of give character groups of what you're interested in. So I said princesses, princess sidekicks, parks, resorts, and attractions. So those are all things that I am mostly interested in. And then you can say if you want other items outside of the Disney universe. So they also give you options for Harry Potter, Marvel, DC, Star Wars, Star Trek, Nickelodeon, Pokemon, Doctor Who. I never know how to say the Hello Kitty brand, but that brand. Netflix, Nintendo, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and Looney Tunes. So lots of things to go through with the preferences. I did go back in quite a few times and change things up. So I think that's where some of the discrepancies come into play, because I changed it and then didn't update it elsewhere on the sheet. Because it's a big form, you kind of got to go through it. I mean, it did take me a little bit to get through initially, and then the time to kind of go back and add things later. It's a time investment, but I mean, you're having so much fun doing it, thinking about what they're going to pick out for you. It's definitely really exciting. Now, they did have a full wish list of things that you could select from, and I'm going to be honest with you, I wasn't super thrilled with anything on the wish list. There were a lot of items that were not Disney. So there was a lot of like Marvel items, there was Nickelodeon, Hello Kitty, like all different items, and the Disney items were not as abundant. And the ones that were, they weren't my speed. Now, I am extremely picky. So maybe for the average person, you wouldn't be, as picky about that stuff, or you'd find something that would be of interest for you. They actually ended up emailing me when they were completing my order and asked me if there was anything on the wish list that I liked, and I said, not really. But then I wrote a couple things that I was interested in that were on the list, and then at the end I was like, I would take the Baby Yoda backpack because that was one of the items. All right, guys, well, that is the lowdown on my wish list, but I have some super exciting news. In about a week's time, I'm going to be uploading another video, and it is going to be my Bibbidi unboxing. But guys, this is going to be unlike any Bibbidi unboxing that you have ever seen. I have purchased every single Disney Bibbidi box. Every one. There are 7 different sizes in total that you can get, and I got all 7. So it is going to be a rather long unboxing, but I am really excited to do it with you guys and see all of the awesome stuff I got. So I hope that you join me and see the biggest Bibbidi unboxing on YouTube yet. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up and comment below. Tell me, have you gotten a Bibbidi box before? I'm so excited to open mine. I just can't wait. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, I would love if you could subscribe and join the Mouse and Mermaid family. I have that Bibbidi Bobbidi Box unboxing coming up, but we also do in-park vlogs. I do a lot of pin videos, and we also vlog our weekly life. So I would love to see you in the comments in more of our videos. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace, love, and Kwaherini.